Hey guys, welcome Ajay over here. Welcome to my channel, my passive income mentor. On this channel, I review latest digital marketing products and how-to videos on starting your own business online. Starting your own business online and quitting your day job is something that you're looking forward to. I would encourage you to subscribe to my channel, and this is the exact content that I would be covering on my channel in the videos. So today I'm going to be reviewing a product for you guys which is known as Mave. So Mave basically teaches us to use the power of Google Discovery ads to get unlimited traffic to any offer that we want and make commissions either via affiliate or by selling our own products. Now we will be going in detail in the members area of Mave and checking out what the product is all about. But what I have told you till now about Mave interests you and you would like to pick up a copy of the same, you can do so by clicking on the link in the description below. By clicking on the link, you will actually come to my bonus page, as I have put together tons of bonuses for you guys, so you can get 110% out of your purchase of Mave. Now once you come onto my bonus page, which looks something like this, you can click any of this green color button over here and go to the sales page, which looks like this, and then click on the green color button over here and get access. Now this front-end product is only for $17, and all the bonuses that I am going to describe to you now will be available to you only if you purchase the front-end product, right? So now let's get into the bonuses that I have for you. Now the first bonus that I have for you is known as Bing Ads Mastery. Now Bing Ads is kind of a sister to Google Ads. So once you learn how to do Google Ads, Bing Ads become extremely easy. Bing Ads are about 20-30% cheaper than Facebook ads, and the overall concept is same but some technicalities are different. So in this Bing Ads Mastery training, you will be learning all about Bing Ads, which is going to help you much more when you go on to implement your Google Discovery ads as well. Now the second bonus I have for you is AdWords retargeting tutorial. Now once that you start running these ads with Google Discovery Network, you are going to learn, or you are going to make your ads 10x more effective by retargeting people. So retargeting is when, suppose I have visited your website and then you are able to retarget me back on Facebook, on various other social media channels, on other websites. So all the technicalities, all the concepts are covered in this course, which is AdWords retargeting tutorial. The third bonus I have for you is El Bandito. Now El Bandito basically teaches you how to make money online using the power of email marketing. Now once you learn how to generate leads using the power of Mave, you are going to realize that the best way of making money, or the best bet of making money online, is by having your own email list. Now El Bandito is going to teach you that part of email marketing which is not covered in Mave. So basically Mave will teach you how to get traffic, and El Bandito will teach you how to design landing pages so that you capture visitor information, how to set up your autoresponder to send emails to these, how to choose the perfect offers. So this kind of completes Mave when it comes to email marketing as a business model. The fourth bonus tutorial I have is CPA Income Crusher. Now CPA basically stands for cost per action. Now there are cost per action offers which basically pay you money if your subscriber or your referral goes on to give their email address, or if he goes on to give his zip code. In some cases you get paid up to 30 to 40 for a trial of any particular product. So CPA offers are very powerful because the rewards are disproportionate. For a $10 sale, you can earn up to $30, $40. So that is where CPA Income Crusher, combined with the leads that you generate by implementing your Mave, you can make a killing online. And the last one I have is all the vendor bonuses. Now there are tons of bonuses which the vendor is giving away. I am going to be sharing all these bonuses with you. So these are the 5 bonuses that I have put together. Again, the simple way to get access to is click on the link in my bonus page and you will go to the sales page where you can pick up your copy. Just for, it says $17, but if you try to close the page, it will show you a downsell for $13 around. Now again, this is a product which is from Warrior Plus. So once you purchase your product and once you access your product, you will find a blue color button which says access affiliate bonuses, and all your bonuses will be available to you inside over there. Now one critical thing is all the bonuses that I've talked about are available only till this timer goes down to 0. So as of now there's still 6 days you have, but sooner you get your copy, the faster you will get the bonuses and you can implement all the things that are being taught also in the course and the bonuses that I have laid out for you. Now that we are familiar with the bonuses and have some idea about the product, let's go to the members area and check out what it is exactly all about. Now once you come over here in the members area, you have a introduction from Jono. So Jono is a very big marketer. He has basically partnered with Digital Dames, which are basically Kafayat, Paula and Nanda, to launch this product. Now there's an introduction which will introduce you to Google Discovery Ads, how to create your Google Ads account, marketplace optimized profile setup, express bonus page generator, how to express deliver your bonuses, Discovery Ads campaign setup. So there's an entire setup video for 30 odd minutes. Then some of the tricks that you can use to actually increase your conversions, right? So then again there's a case study of how they were able to make 1100 sale and 900 profit. Now as you can see over here, there are some additional bonuses that you have over here, which I will just share with you. And then there is this additional thing wherein where I'll just let you know what are the upsells in this particular offer. So this is the members area, and these are all the content that you will be able to learn. Now what I wanted to share with you was so basically you have Mave, which is 12.97, right? Then there's an upsell one which is for $67. There's a downsell for $47. So it is basically you have ride the bullet train to chat. It is basically they are going to give you 25 done for you high ticket converting funnels, which you can use as your own. Then you have upgrade to just outsourcing suite. So basically, it is for $397, but there's a downsell for $297. Now with upgrade 2, they will teach you how to you can outsource everything, and so you don't do anything. You can simply concentrate your time and efforts on more of the money producing activities. So there's upgrade 3, which is called as cheat your way to pretty profits, which is for again $97, and there's a downsell for $67. So you can basically steal their traffic by placing pixel on their pages, and that is how you will be able to get even more commissions. There's an upgrade 4, which is for $47 upsell, $27 downsell. So advanced underground marketing strategies. So this is again some additional training from them to help you better with your business. There's upgrade 5, never before seen mega sale. So there's a reseller license basically. So you can sell the entire funnel and you can make 100% commissions through it. There's upgrade 6. So now not just Mave, but you can get the reseller license for 4 of their converting. So you can, what reseller license means is basically you can sell the entire thing and keep 100% of the profits. So this was the funnel. So I think I have taken you through the product, the upsells, the members area. Now if there is anything which I have missed, we will just go through the sales page. So if anything that I have missed, I'll be able to let you know. So these are some of the examples of the money that these guys have been able to make using the method. Just a second, I'll just run through it. I'm not going to read out everything. You can just easily go through it in your own time. So discovery ads are something which you see on YouTube homepage, you see on your Gmail accounts. So that's the entire tutorial on how to set up these. Now once you come down, I think I've covered all of this in short for you. So again, what all is included: over the shoulder step-by-step video training, cloud-based landing page builder software. This is a good thing for you. Free hosting included, so you don't have to pay for hosting. Then you have case studies and everything. Now if you go down, I think these are the additional bonuses from them. How to earn additional $100 daily, posting unlimited free ads, how to get $100 worth of free campaigns, how to get multiple passive income streams fast, how to make money rain. So all this is worth around $3,000, and this is excluding my bonuses. Plus, to top it all off, you have a 30-day money back guarantee. So there's actually no risk for you. You can easily go ahead, purchase the product. It's only $13 to begin with, and you are going to get 5 bonuses from me plus 5, 10, almost 10 products. And you can implement it for about 2-3 weeks. If you don't see the results, you can always go ahead and ask for an refund. However, I would recommend that you actually go ahead and implement the product, and once you like the product on the front end, you can even go ahead and then purchase the upsells. There's no need to purchase the upsells now. Again, all the bonuses that we have promised is just for purchasing the front end $13 product. Now, if there are any questions that I have not answered and you would like me to, please ask them in the comments below. I will be more than happy to take them forward. Thank you.